Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. But first we open GBP USD in 1 hour time frame. So this strategy we need Supertrend V1.0 indicator. And we change some settings. Supertrend V1.0 indicator. Signal green arrow, it means market going upward. Then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. Now we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Supertrend V1.0 indicator. Signal red arrow, it means market going downward. Then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.